anniversary. Grabe tanda ni Robby.
Ay, grabe siya!
Pero siya pinag-uusapan lang natin. No? Pero Alexa, ano pakiramdam kasi naka 1 year, naka 1 season ka na as a host. Tapos ano yung mga natutunan mo na gusto mong i-share sa kasama mo sa online hostings na si Mavi?
Una po sa lahat, again, I'm so thankful na mapabilang pa rin sa pamilya ni Kuya. Honestly, I thought hindi na ako makakasama for this season. But I was so happy to get a call na I'm still part of this season. Lalo na, collab pa. Who wouldn't want to be part of this season, diba? So, thank you, Lord. And again, thank you po kay Kuya talaga. And sa pamilya ni Kuya, I'm very happy to be with them again. And siguro, sa 1 year ko po as an online host, ang mabibigay ko po siguro na advice kay Mavi is to learn how to balance all the fun and when it's time to be serious. Kasi may times kapag nag-host since everything's live, it's like you're always on your toes, thinking of what to say, what to banter with your co-host, or with the housemate, or with the audience. And may times na sa sobrang enjoy mo, nakikarried away ka, baka may masabi kang hindi dapat. So I guess it was also a learning, a lesson for me to know when to balance na, okay, serious na ako, and yung fun lang, and yung pagiging seriousness as a host. So nakuha mo ba yun, Mavi?
Roger that, architect.
Okay.
Isa na lang kay Melay. Melay, ano pakiramdam mo na mapapanood ka na ng mga kapuso viewer?
Oh my God!
Maraming salamat sa katanungan mo, Mars. Sobrang love ko talaga ito si Tracy. Sobra akong happy. Thank you, Lord, for this opportunity na makasama ko din si Mavi at saka si Gabi sa pamilyang ito. And siyempre, mapanood tayo sa Kapuso. Hindi din alam kung matatanggat ba tayo ng Kapuso, pero I'm very sorry, Kapuso. Wala lang mga kapigil nito. Okay, mag-alala. Ilalaban na nito. Pero isa lamang ang masisiguro namin, sasayahan namin ang Pinoy Big Brother Celebrity Call-Up Edition. And basta maging hindi ko na, tapos na.
Vince, abangan mo, meron kaming guesting. Nakita ko na online sa March 7 sa Family Feud. Oo. Abangan niyo.
May Team Melay pa? Team Melay?
Yes.
Team PBB.
PBB
Si Melay yung leader ng team.
Yung leader. Si Ate
Si Gabi. Siyempre, siya ang nag-welcome sa amin sa Kapuso.
Pero masaya yung episode. Abangan niyo si Ate Melay sa kung ano sasabihin niya sa jackpot. Kung mananalo kami.
Pero for sure, pupusuan naman ng mga kapuso itong PBB Cola.
Salamat.
Pero may tanong pa ako kay Marcos. Ayan, busy si Marcos.
Sir Marcos, may tanong daw din.
Uy, crush natin lahat si Sir Marcos.
Ako sobrang crush na Sir Marcos.
Crush ng bayan dito.
Oo nga, correct. Pwede siyang housemate mo.
Yes. Alam mo ba, si Sir Marcos ang pumunta sa akin sa bahay sa Jensan. Nung nag-audition ako niya, si Sir Marcos tapos boss mo ko lang.
Siya nag-immerse.
Siya ang sobrang crush ko talaga.
Tsaka tama ba? Mula sa season 1?
Hindi lang siya pang housemate, pang houseband yan.
Yes.
Material.
We love you, Sir.
May mga parang siya.
Attorney Marcos? Yes, Sir Marcos.
Pero ayun nga, kamusta yung audition process? Nahirapan ba kayo? And ano yung mga klase ng celebrity housemate na hinahanap niyo for this season?
Hindi kami nahirapan kasi nga ito naman directed talaga yung yung hinahanap na it's coming from Sparkle and Star Magic. So they came up with a list. So they invited their celebrities to be interviewed by us. And just so you know, mga around 92 yung in-interview namin celebrities, but around mga 36 yung nag-final casting. But kung ilan talaga yung papasok, yun yung kailangan yung abangan kung ilan sila. But the casting process was really interesting for us, and it's like any other casting process that we were looking for the right mix, we're looking for the personality. Yun nga, sabi ng mga host kanina, it's not just about your credentials as celebrities, it's more your story, your personalities in the mix.
How about the formats? Pasabog ba yung format? Kasi 20th anniversary ito.
Okay, sobrang pasabog yung format this season.
First time
I can say na whatever mechanics will be done this season, it's the first time that we'll be doing it for Pinoy Big Brother. So please abangan yan. Sa first week yan, malalaman yung big pasabog for this season.
Exciting.
Melay, ang dami mong shows na ikaw naman ang host ngayon, di ba? And parang PBB yung isa sa nag-pave ng way talaga para maging host ka. So, anong level of parang work din and dedication yung ibibigay mo dito? Kasi nga, ang dami mo ng hosting projects, pero hindi ka pa rin nakakalimot kung saan ka nanggaling.
Anong level of
Dedication sa work.
100% dedication talaga, lalo na sa Pinoy Big Brother. Kasi syempre dito ako nagsimula, dito talaga ako nakilala. Pinilit talaga ng tadhana na makilala ko. Kaya talaga, parang kumbaga utang na loob ko sa Pinoy Big Brother. Kahit na wala akong sweldo eh.
Wow! Okay daw, sabi ni Derek Lauren, noted.
Siyempre din may mga apply, mga kwan ka sa akin, may mga inaanak. So, i-dedicate ko talaga at saka naka-schedule na talaga ang Pinoy Big Brother for my heart and for this.
So, syempre, first time ka mapapanood sa GMA, no? Sabi nga ni VJ Ai kanina, paano kapag bigla kang pinapasok sa bahay ni Kuya? Game ka pa ba?
Parang hindi ko na kayang pumasok. Uy, kasi syempre may mga anak tayo. Pero kung ipasok kaming pamilya, di okay na.
Papanoorin namin lahat. Okay tayo.
Pagkakain kami ng bigas at saka mag-alibin na rin naman. Kasi mahal na yung kuryente, mahal na rin ang kuhan. So, why not Big Brother? Kasi ginawa namin hotel para magkaroon na rin kami ng staycation.
Uy, why not? Uy, binibigyan niyo si Marcos ng idea.
Give chance to other. Huwag nung tayong lagi na lang tayo pumapasok sa bahay ni Kuya. I-give chance to other kasi iba ang experience. Ilang milyon natin dito sa Pilipinas, bihira lang kayong makapasok sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya. So, give chance to other. Huwag naman puro tayo. Malay nyo, isa naman sa mga press ang makapasa. The Press Edition! Sino kaya ang mamumuna? At sino ang makukulerat sa videohan? Kasi videohan nila talaga kung ano yung mga updates.
Thank you, Ma'am Shimele. Last question for Direct Lauren. We know that this is a big milestone for both ABS, GMA, and the whole Philippine TV industry. So, how do you think this collaboration will really, kumbaga, up the ante or big help for our industry?
Can you repeat the question? Then I sagutin mo nga yun. Up the ante daw. O ano, the history. Well, bakit bang nahirap na tanong sa akin mo binigay? Groundbreaking siya eh. Diba? Anything groundbreaking creates a lot of opportunities. We're excited to note that a lot of brands are willing to partner with us because it's a collaboration of two very important media entities. So with that as well, we cannot really see the far future, but we know that a lot more possibilities that will contribute to the Philippine industry right now. Medyo, kasi ngayon, ang TV, challenge siya by online, challenge siya by the other platforms na hindi necessary na sa Pilipinas, di ba? So, with the equity of Big Brother, at the same time, the collaboration of two entities na we're hoping that will spark a new interest in free TV, and at the same time, syempre, based on free TV, I'm sure sasanga-sanga na naman yan sa social media, but it will also signify that television is still here, free TV is still here. So we're very grateful to Channel 7 for allowing us to be in their platform on the 20th year of Big Brother. That's a great achievement, and even our format owner, Manny J, is very, very happy with this collaboration.
Thank you so much, Mavi, one of the newest members of PBB family. First, parang ushering a new era, hosting talaga. And marami hindi nag-expect na ikaw pala yung ipapakilala. So, what was your reaction when you were first invited or asked to do this as your next project? Did you have to go through an audition or nag-screening pa muna?
Actually, nag-audition ako. Kinulong ako sa bahay ni Kuya for 1 month. Joke. Actually, in-offer lang sa akin. I was offered this job. And of course, syempre, nagulat talaga ako. Because syempre, lahat naman tayo fan ng PBB. I also watched PBB growing up also. Syempre, yung last season na napanood ko actually was Alexa season eh. So, sakong-sakto nung sinabi nila na makakatrabaho ko si Alexa sa online hosting. Sabi ko, yes kaagad because of course, other than it's such an honor to do this job also, si Alexa ay kaibigan ko for the longest time. So, hit two birds with one stone. It's an honor to do PBB at the same time work with Alexa and together with these amazing hosts. Mga ate at kuya ko. It's no-brainer talaga. I mean, who wouldn't say yes to this?
I love it.
Gusto ko yung sinabi ni, hit two birds in one stone. Sabi ni, galing ni.
And I quote, maraming salamat.
Maraming salamat.
Yeah, thank you, Mavi. Additional question pala, ano na lang ang ina-expect mo with this new, kasi nga, bago din siya sa'yo, although you had a show naman with your mom and your sister before, pero iba kasi to eh. Kumbaga, solo ka na with Alexa, wala na with family.
Syempre, look forward to doing this for the first time on my own. No? May pressure, but at the same time, ayoko isipin yun because I want to give my best sa lahat ng audience, no, who's gonna watch PBB, no, and of course, I just look forward to getting to know the housemates, you know, and also lahat ng mga comments ng mga viewers ng PBB, to get to know the environment, and of course, like what I mentioned, like what I said kanina, do my best to create a healthy space and a healthy environment for everyone.
Thank you, Mavi.
Thank you.
Then,
Maraming salamat.
Ma'am,